here's the easiest way to study for function questions. So here's a typical function question that we'll see on the ACT. Given that f of x equals x squared minus 4 and g of x equals x plus 3, what are all the values for which f of g of x equals 0? So whenever we have a question like this, we want to start from the inside out. So the inside is this g of x equals x plus 3, and then we'll take that and we'll plug that into the x squared plus 4. So we end up with f of g of x equals x plus 3, the whole thing squared, minus 4. And since they tell us that f of g of x is equal to 0, we can just go ahead and set this all equal to 0. And then when we distribute this x plus 3 squared out, we have to do the FOILing process because the whole thing is squared. So we end up with x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 4 is equal to 0. And then we combine the like terms, so we get x squared plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0, and that's a terrible 5, but that's a 5 right there. And then when we keep going to factor this back down, we get x plus 5 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. When we keep solving, we get x equals -5 or -1, and that gives us answer choice A.